Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a green, beautiful, aromatic and tasty herb oil. I'm gonna use basil, but you can swap the basil for any kind of herbs. It's a super easy recipe which can be made in advance. A few drops of it goes a long way. I've already used it in a couple of videos, so stay tuned if you want to know how to make it in a super easy way. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you get notifications every time I post a new recipe, and do not forget to ring that bell. Make sure to leave me a comment down below because I love to hear from you guys. Let's do this.